Are you a marketer looking to generate more leads? Are you a salesperson looking for more sales opportunities? Are you a website designer trying to build more site engagement? If so, then we need to talk about web chat for lead generation. Hi, I'm Bruce Walker, and welcome to BotSplash TV. Web chat is one of the most effective ways to bring top-of-funnel sales leads into your pipeline and improve your customer engagement. But most companies aren't using it. Are you? If you have chat on your website, how are you using it? A great first step is to simply greet your visitors. Your website is your business, so when someone walks in, say hello and make them feel comfortable. Web chat is the director of first impressions, so it's a great way to make everyone feel welcome. Another way you can use it is just collect some personal information. Many of our clients will collect first name, last name, email, and cell phone number. That way, a live agent can continue the conversation on SMS text. These are just a couple of ways that you can use web chat for lead generation. We'll go over more in future episodes. I'm Bruce Walker, and thank you for watching BotSplash TV.